How to delete all posts on Facebook in one click. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete all posts on Facebook in one click. Now to do so is quite simple. First open up the Facebook app. You'll get an interface like this. Make sure you are logged into your account. What you want to do is tap on three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen that you can see just below the message icon. Tap on it and head into settings by tapping on the settings icon. Now once here, scroll down below and head into your activities. Now under your information you can see the option activity log. Tap on it and head into your post. Now you can see the option manage your post. Tap on it and open it up, and once it loads up you can see all your posts here and all your interactions here. Now to delete all of your posts, you can either filter your post by tapping on filters, and you can filter them by categories, by date, audience, people. Simply tap on categories, and if you want to select all, you can see all is selected. And if you want to delete all the posts, simply tap on the all option that you can see. Make sure the tick mark is on and all your posts will be selected here, you can see. Now to delete it, what you want to do is tap on the recycle bin option that you can see at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on recycle bin, and you can see these posts will not appear on your profile anymore. If you want to manage posts that you have shared in other places such as in groups, you can review those separately in activity log. Simply tap on move to trash and all your posts will be deleted. This way you can delete all posts on Facebook in one click. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.